Okay guys, just here at Shelby New Zealand, bit of an update what's going on. So we've got the wide body signature car coming through. It's come back from the paint and got the stripes all painted on there, looking absolutely fantastic. We've also sprayed through the side the signature in there as well. You can see the carbon fibre winglets on there. So yeah, she's just going back together. We've got another one around the corner here, not a Shelby, but it's getting a few things done to it. It's got a GT, the premium up there, wide body coming through, Super Snake up there, and the one in the corner coming in and haven't been started yet is another wide body to go through. So yeah, just a bit of an update from the Shelby side of things. Yeah, excited about this one, looking great. The boys have done a fantastic job, fantastic owner, working with him to have his personal build. That's what we can do here at Shelby New Zealand. There's little personal touches, we can do that. Also the older models, they're fantastic as well, so we can work with you and update and do some mods on those. So once again, bit of an update from Shelby New Zealand. Another one up there, it's just a standard GT getting repaired. Yeah, bit of an update from the workshop.